guys, welcome back, Old School Moto. Okay, you can see here we've got a half pulled apart bike. So we bought this KX250 for 1,700 Australian dollars, and it's a runner. It seems like a pretty good motor in it. Wasn't sort of too bad. Things like fork seals, tyres, one of the rear shock linkages, but we're going to do the whole knuckle there, and re-grease the swing arm and stuff. The plastic's pretty average, but anyway, what we're doing, this is not a wow revival or anything. This is fix it up, get it rideable, go and have some fun on it. So we're not going to go overboard at this stage. Probably at a later stage there'll be new plastics and graphics, but we'll just do the mechanical side of it, get it up and running, and see where we go from there. So I'll just turn this camera around, I think, somehow, and I'll show you the bike. Okay, so this is it. I've started taking the bits and pieces off the front. We're going to pull the forks out. I'm going to do the fork seals, put a new tyre on it, got new brake pads going all around. As I said, mechanically it's fine, starts up sweet, runs pretty quiet. Rear shock knuckle, we're going to replace all the bearings in that, going to pull the swing arm out, re-grease, rear wheels, getting a new tyre, change sprockets. They're all usable, okay. The seat, that's away at the moment. Going to get the brackets remanufactured. Typical Kawasaki thing is the seat brackets are no good. And then we're going to do things, obviously tidy up the controls and stuff. But yeah, not going to go overboard. Just a bit of a general tidy up and make it good to ride. So all right. Okay, so that's the forks all done. Just new seals, clean out, fresh oil. So set everything back to standard. I have lifted them up a little bit in the triple clamp just because I want to try it out. And yeah, so on to the next thing, which I think we'll just do the brake pads and tyre, and that'll be the front end taken care of, and then we can move down to the back. Okay, so here we are back with our little KX250F tidy up. As you can see over there, the front wheel's back on, the forks are done. The steering stem's been tightened. I've dropped the forks down a little bit in the top clamp just because that's the way I like it, and also it does help it fit in the van a little bit easier. Maybe that's the real reason. Okay, and the seat's away getting the brackets sorted out, and we've just taken the rear wheel off. Going to do the rear shock linkage. I do have one problem with the front brake caliper. The locating pin for the pads was absolutely frozen in, and we've had to drill it out, so we're waiting to re-tap that. Worst case scenario, it's going to have a helicoil in it, but it's just what we've got to do at the moment. But yeah, that's sort of, progress is okay. Some of the bolts and stuff are a little bit tight or locked or rusted or whatever. But managed to get everything off. Just that one thing with the brake caliper that's been a pain in the ass so far. All right, so about to get into the shock linkages, and we'll have a look when that's done. Okay, so yesterday we did the shock linkage, put the rear tyre on, put the rear brakes in, and also bled the rear brakes. And on the front we repaired the stripped caliper, and we also bled those as well. So we're just waiting on the seat, and then we'll just lube the chain, and and we're still waiting on the grips. So yeah, and then we'll be ready to go for a rip, see what else we can find mechanically. But yeah, that's it guys, so hopefully soon. Okay, so this is it. We've got it back together for now. Done the repairs, we've just brought it out here to test it out. So we'll see how it goes and then see what we have to do to it. But still looks pretty rugged, but yeah, it's got new shoes and all those other bits and pieces, tidied up grips and all that crap. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Because it's down low, but it is changing the curve, so I think that's the problem.